Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I am doing very well today, thank you for asking. My morning started very nicely. I woke up early, and the weather was very fresh and peaceful. I really enjoy mornings because everything feels calm and quiet. It gives me time to prepare myself for the whole day. I also feel more energetic and positive when I start my day early.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. I like to wake up early because it helps me organize my day better. When I wake up, the first thing I do is turn off my alarm and take a deep breath. Then I sit on my bed for a moment and think about the tasks I need to complete during the day. Waking up early makes me feel more productive and relaxed, and I have enough time to do everything without rushing.
What do you do first?
The first thing I do after waking up is brushing my teeth and washing my face. It helps me feel fresh and awake. After that, I usually drink a glass of water because it is healthy and good for the body. Sometimes I also open the window to let fresh air come into my room. These small habits help me start my morning in a very positive and refreshing way.
Do you exercise?
Yes, sir, I try to do some light exercise every morning. Usually I spend about 15 minutes stretching my body and doing some simple yoga. Exercise helps me feel more active and improves my mood. Sometimes I also go outside for a short walk if the weather is nice. When I exercise in the morning, I feel more focused and ready for my studies later in the day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat something simple but healthy. Most of the time I eat bread, eggs, and sometimes fruits like bananas or apples. I also like to drink a cup of milk or tea. My mother usually prepares breakfast for our family, and we sit together at the table while eating. I think breakfast is very important because it gives us energy for the whole day and helps us stay active.
What happens next?
After finishing my breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed for the day. Then I check my school bag to make sure that I have all my books, notebooks, and other important things. Sometimes I also review my lessons for a few minutes before leaving home. Doing these things helps me stay organized and confident when I go to school.
Do you like your routine?
Yes, sir. I really like my morning routine because it keeps my life organized and healthy. When I follow my routine regularly, I feel more productive and less stressed. It also helps me manage my time better and focus on my studies. I believe that a good morning routine is very important for having a successful and positive day.
Thank you, Emma, for sharing your morning routine so clearly. I'm sure our viewers learned a lot from your explanation today. And thank you to all our viewers for watching this video. We hope this conversation helps you improve your English speaking and listening skills. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below. Your support really motivates us to create more helpful English learning content for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.